Plus, I got these Meta glasses. Oh, wait, actually. Are they on? Ah, yes. Plus, I'm recording right now. The coolest POV, point of view, that you could ever have is the point of view of a race car driver. But not only that, the point of view of the team and everything that they have to do. And guess what, friends? I have the new Meta 2 glasses.
You got some sick shoes, man.
Some Alex Albert Oakley's
yeah,
here.
there you go, all right.
And that's exactly what I would love to bring to you guys this season as we start up the Collegiate Racing Series, as well as continue on in our Pro Spec Miata campaign. I'm going to start using these Meta glasses to give you guys POV of the life of a motorsports, I guess, team principal, series owner, racing dad, and it should be fun. So here are my first 2 experiments with the Meta 2 glasses. Check it out. How I drive in the Jensen area, it's all nice and smooth like this. So smooth. Super smooth. We'll see what the stabilization technology is like in these Meta glasses. We got the Young Earth Systems Cholo.
It is very high resolution.